Hi, this is Chris Storr from the Valley View Technology Department. This video is to show parents how to get logged into Google Chrome and get into Google Classroom from a Windows or a Mac computer at home for their students. We will start off by opening up Google Chrome. In here, we're going to focus on the Profile section of Google Chrome in the very top right corner. When you click on the icon, you'll either see a Google account that is signed in, or you will see the words "not signed in." I have some example pictures of what that would look like. So as here, "not signed in," just as this picture shows, and this one is "signed in." You can tell that when it is, there's an account right there. You're going to want to go ahead and click Add in here to create a separate profile for the student account. In here, you can enter a nickname for the new profile. I'll call mine Chris. And click Add. Right here, it's got a button that says Get Started. Don't click the Get Started button, but instead click below here where it says Already a Chrome User Sign In. So go ahead and just click the words Already a Chrome User. And you're going to enter their username at valleyview.k12.oh.us. So I'll do mine now. And press Next. Oh, you gotta make sure you spell it right. And then you'll enter your password and press Next. A window will pop up that says link your Chrome data to this account. Press Link Data, and then another window will pop up that says Turn on Sync. It's recommended to press Yes, I'm in on this one. This way it will sync their passwords and bookmarks that they use on their Chromebooks at school. If it asks you right here like this, set Chrome as your default browser, you can do that, or we'll just skip for now. You'll now be able to tell that you have two profiles up here. You've got this one, and then you've got the other one, and you can switch in between both of them. So that will be in a separate profile. So once you're here, we're going to go to www.google.com. In the top right, click on the 9 little squares or these little dots up here, and this is where you will find Google Classroom. It'll look like this. It may be down here further, but it'll look like this. So click on Classroom, and once you're here, you can bookmark this page if you want to. You can either add it to your bookmarks, or you can drag it down and add it onto your bookmark bar if you've got that option. So then to join a class, you'll click on this plus sign in the top right corner and hit Join Class. And if the teacher's given you a class code, you'll be able to enter that here. I hope this has been informative, and thank you for viewing.